Hey YouTube, got a box of 2007 Elements, Ken Griffey Jr., Cal Ripken Jr., and Derek Jeter. Alright then, well there's some really nice stuff here. Alright, so here goes. I've never opened this product before. Seems really nice. Yeah, seems really good. It's a huge box, but this stuff is fun to open, so we'll see what happens. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so yeah, it comes out like this. Damn, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. So I'll line up the boxes here. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay, 3 boxes right here. I'll go with the Derek Jeter box. Here goes. Alright, Derek Jeter box. Okay. I don't know what this product is about. But yeah, there's at least one. I don't know what the hits are, but I think you get 1 jersey auto per box. So yeah, I don't know how to take this out. I guess I'm just gonna rip it. Okay. Alright, well, here's the stuff. Start. Pack 1. So yeah, these bases look really nice. Well, that's cool. Derek Lee, and you got a Glenn Perkins rookie, number 550. Okay. And Alfonso Soriano Elements. Okay. Keep going here. Ryan Howard, Mark Teixeira, Justin Morneau. So this is actually a nice looking card. This looks really nice. I think we got something stick here. Prince Fielder and a jersey auto of Corey Patterson, number to 999. So yeah, jersey auto right off the bat. Looks like there's some stitching in the middle there. So yeah, number to 99. Nice looking card. And a Michael Young. Okay. Here's jersey auto right off the bat. Hopefully we can get some really nice stuff out of the other stuff. Ray Durham, David Wright base, and Scott Rowland. Okay. Chin Tome, Todd Helton, Gary Sheffield. Okay. So let's keep going. Cal Ripken Jr. box. Oh, I see. Just open it from the side. That makes sense. Like I said, never opened this before until today. Okay. So yeah, this product looks really nice, but you don't get the hit. I don't know. Pack kind of sucks. But whatever. Ryan Howard. Oh, this is cool too. It has like the regular. It's like all the bases are different. It looks like. Derek Jeter, Helton. Okay. Yeah, I mean the pack with the hit I think is pretty noticeable. That's in Jeff Baker, rookie, number 550. All right. Andrew Jones, an autograph of Cha Seung Bak. Autograph. Okay. Gold. Looks like it's a gold auto. Nice. Okay. Alrighty. Nice gold auto there. Ray Durham, Lance Berkman, and Manny Ramirez. Alright. Okay. We got the Ken Griffey Jr. box. Alrighty. Let's see what we get here. Hopefully Ken Griffey can, I believe this is the jersey pack now. So yeah, pack has the jersey. Yeah, Elements is fun to open, but it's really unnecessary for all the packaging. Ryan Howard, Derek Lee, and Alexi Casilla, rookie, number to 550. Okay. Todd Helton, Jim Thome, David Wright. I think this pack has his jersey. Yep, it does. Okay, a Luis Gonzalez, dual patch, it looks like. The pinstripe right there. Nice looking card. Alright. So it looks like that's the hit. Stephen Drew and, okay. Oh, this pack seems thick too. Let's see what we get here. It's a thick one. Keep you guys watching. Looks like we got an extra hit. Ooh, a dual patch of Lance Berkman and Craig Biggio, number 50. Nice. Alright, nice. Okay. Alrighty. And that's it. Alright. Well, nice stuff. All these are for sale for trade. Alright, see you guys.